Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Hey everybody, I am doing this video right now because I don't understand how come so many people are saying this. Emails I'm getting and comments on my other line head videos that I've done. If you want to see those, I got a link in the description right now for my playlist. You can go back there and check it out. Getting people saying that speed feed line heads suck. I don't get it. It's one of the, if not the easiest line head in the world to actually refill. So easy. Turn this little clicker right here so the arrow, there's arrows on top of the line head right here. And it also kind of corresponds, the arrow is also has this little divot thing down here on that. And all you do is line that up with the line, with the, what do you call the thing, an eyelet, where the line goes through, or where the line comes out. Right there, right? Now, if you line that line, why can't I get that? If you line that eyelet up with the arrows on this, then you'll be able to see straight through there. It's a tunnel. You'll see daylight going straight through from that eyelet out to the other side of the eyelet. And then you take your line and 3 arm lengths. 1, 2, 3. That's going to be, for me, somewhere around 18 feet. All right. You got your line cut. You can see right through there. You just take that line and put it right through that tunnel, and it pops right out the other side. Right? Now, all you do is find the other end. This is so ridiculously easy. You match up the 2 ends right there, and you just keep them even, and you keep pulling till they are even on both sides. Right there. Now, both lines coming out each side are now even. And all you do is start cranking this top piece right here. You can't go backwards. You start cranking, now it's winding it in for you. You can't go backwards on it. It locks. You can only go like that. So you keep going, and it's sucking all that line in. So you just keep on going till you're at the end, and they'll be almost even. Boom. Almost even. That one's a little bit bigger, but your cutter on there is going to trim that off when you start. Okay? So now some people are saying, hey, these things suck because they don't even have a bump knob. These aren't bump and go. No bump knob, like what you're talking about is like something like that. That bump knob right there. No, this doesn't have a bump knob on it like this one does, because the entire line head is a bump knob. See this? Look at how that goes. That is a bump knob. You have centrifugal force pulling on that, and then you bump the whole line head. Watch this. Boom, popped it out. No knob. It does the same thing. It is a tap and go line head. I do not know of an easier line head to refill than a speed feed line head. The one that I have for you in the description, it's universal. It comes with all of this kind of stuff, you know, different left-hand threads, right-hand threads, different inserts to put in there for what line head, what weed eater you want. But I will tell you this, they say universal. Technically it's not universal. It might be 99% universal. I'm going to show you one right here. You're not going to like this. Your stihls, curve shafts, right there. See that? That's not part of the line head. That's part of the trimmer. You cannot make a speed feed line head work on one of these trimmers. Unless you're MacGyver, then you may be able to figure that out for yourself and make something to do it, but then that defeats the purpose. What's the point of having a speed feed line head? Just get the proper line head for that one. Other than that, it works on all kinds of stuff. Curve shafts, straight shafts. It's easy. Try one of these things out for yourself. You'll be super impressed. Bump knobs wear down. This takes way longer to wear down. There are so many benefits to having one of these things. Just click on those links that I have for you in the description and the pinned comment, and you will see for yourself. Try one of these things out. Put your comments down too, because I'll bet you a lot of you are going to agree with me. There's going to be some of you that no, they still suck. If you say that in the comments, tell us why you still think these things suck. I think they're awesome. Giddy up, everybody. Cheers. Steve out.